Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can clean your Windows C drive. And if you're going to also clean your Windows C drive, this will also boost and speed up the performance of your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here you need to type prefetch. Click on OK. And you have to delete everything from this folder. Now in my case, I have just deleted everything from here, but in your case, you have to simply delete all of that items. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together again, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select run. Here you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. Click on one file and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and hit the delete bin at the top. Now check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Now, not all of these files will be deleted because these are used by the programs on your Windows, and that is totally fine. Then again, press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type percentage TEMP percentage. Click on OK. The same thing, click on one folder, press Ctrl plus A on keyboard, and hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. And close this. Then we also need to remove unnecessary and unimportant programs installed in our C drive. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Click on appwiz.cpl control panel item. Now here you need to simply look for the program or application which is unnecessary or a program that you are not using, then why not uninstall that? So I have here the Epic Games. Click on the uninstall button at the top. Click on yes. So you just have to basically click on the program and then choose the uninstall option at the top. And you have to do that for all the unnecessary programs on your Windows. Now it's done. Now close this window and finally we are going to perform a disk cleanup. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. You'll find disk cleanup under the best match. Click on that. We are going to choose the Windows C drive, so just simply click on OK. And here in the disk cleanup for Windows, you just have to simply select all of these options. It will be stated from here the total amount of disk space that you will be gaining. And click on OK. Click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. And finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.